Our home is alive with memory. You can feel it. Under the same stars that guided our tupuna across Te Moana Nui a Kiwa, our people found a home. When we came ashore, the first fires were lit. Ahi Kā, the flame that has never gone out. And around its flame, whakapapa was spoken. Pūrākau carried from one voice to the next. As long as the fire burned, our knowledge endured. Here, in the embrace of our maunga and awa, we learned to live with the land, to listen to it, to travel every river and pass, discovering new resources, to harvest, to craft. Where water gathers, people gather, and knowledge is shared. Here, at Te Pukehiwi, at the confluence of tides and people, our identity took root. Through generations of change, challenge and resilience, we've remained strong, connected, the enduring roots of the land. Ngā pakeaka morihu o te whenua. Our ahi still burns bright. It guides us home.